Specially selected materials are used in the production of SOTO's products. The use of cutting-edge machinery and the sharp, well-trained human eye makes it possible to detect error as minute as 1/100th of a millimeter. For this reason, the number of products that can be produced in a day is limited. Meticulous inspection for air leaks demands that throughout the assembly process, each part is repeatedly soaked in water and thoroughly examined. Once assembled, each unit must undergo a gas leakage test. All finished products are manually inspected piece by piece, and only those which pass several safety inspections are released for sale. Made in Japan, made by SOTO. SOTO's goal is to manufacture and provide reliable, high-quality products that can be trusted on the field.